Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you all how to download and install Davinci Resolve. Firstly you should search here Davinci Resolve 17 download, and you should click on this first result. Then you should scroll down like this, should go down, and in here you can see software. In this software you should click on Davinci Resolve 17. Free one is also there. The studio is also there. I am downloading the free one, and in here we should choose the version and the OS of the computer. I am using Windows. Okay, now it's loading. It is loading. Okay, now it's asking our details, and we should give our details like this. I have given them before, so it's showing. Have saved our data. You should give your country or anything, and after that we should give the state. So Sri Lanka like this, and we should give the, and we should product, and we should click on register and download, and here it's showing, and we should download. Then it's a 2.46 GB size computer setup. It's and okay, now it have been downloaded. Okay, firstly I'm opening this PC, and I'm going to the, like, should go downloads, and then compressed. Here I have in here it's the Davinci Resolve 17.3 Windows. Should double click on that, and it's showing it's extracting. After extracted, it's going through a setup process, and you should give next. And after it's downloaded, you can see desktop icon for Davinci Resolve. It's like this. You open it and see how's the interface. Okay, now you can see it's opening in here. It's also slow as Adobe Premiere, and because it has to load, because it need to load many apps and other things, files needed to this software. Here you can see loading Fairlight engine, and the Davinci Resolve is from Blackmagic Design. While this is loading, I will go through this uh, website. Here you can see we can do media and delivery. Fairlight, here is Fairlight. We can do live streams. Resolve effects is the neural engine, and many things are there. Keywords are also there to buy. Sorry. Here it's now asking untitled the project which you need to open. We can just new project, new folder, and we can open like that. After you open it, you can see it's opening, and this is the interface. Still I don't know many things about this Davinci Resolve. I will tell about Davinci Resolve much in the next videos. Okay, if you have any error while installing or downloading, tell me, comment me. I will give you soon reply. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.